This is one pond. Okay, but there is no water. So hello, good morning, guys. How are you all of you? I hope you are great. You are fine. So just I have arrived in the CP Central Park in Delhi. Actually, right now I am exploring the many kind of places, and I am collecting the some vocabulary, how to speak English fluently and confidently. Because right now I am practicing, and by the through the practice I can improve my English journey, and you can improve your English journey. So let's stay with me, and you will explore all the city park. So just you can see, I would like to show you behind me. This is the one display board, and this is a road, and just we are going to the inside area in the city. Okay, because nowadays it's very compulsory. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently, so compulsory English in this way you can improve English journey. Actually, suppose that you are speaking English and you can talk to in English, so definitely you can get a job, and you can study very right way. Okay, so let's go, and there are lot of person here, and everybody enjoying. You can see this is a people tree, I think. I hope you know this name, but I don't know English name. Please comment me what is the English name people. Okay, so we have to go this way. Okay, and there are bloggers, YouTuber, and creator. There are many creator are available, and you can see this is your so guys, you can see this is a flower of tree flower. Okay, I would like to pluck it. Right now I am plucking the flowers for all of you. Not like this. Wow, the smell is very fine. Okay, you can see I would like to show this. Very, I don't know technical name. It's a technical name, but right now explore. So you can see. Okay. So you can see this brother is taking the photo. Got 2% taking the photo. If you want to speak, yes, I would like to take your photo. So you have to speak, take the photo. Okay. So there is your one pond. Okay, you can see. This is your one pond. Okay, but there is no water, and sprinkling is available. Sprinkling, through the sprinkling water is flowing up down this time. Okay, this Central Park, and lot of the couples also. There are many couples, but I am not couples. I am only a smart boy. Okay, couples word is very critical word. Okay, so they are seated here. Sit, sat, second form, sat. They sat here. They बैठे हुए हैं. They have sat here, and you can see 10 time 10 o'clock full. You can, it's English name 10 o'clock full. Full no flowers. Actually I am belong from India, so I can mistake also. I mistook, but no. This is a staircase, no staircase, but it has been made like stairs, up down up down up down. Okay, and you can see this is a Modi ji. Okay, you see the Modi ji. Hello Modi chacha, I love you. Modi uncle. Okay, so let's go that way. Wow, it's best or not? Okay, This type of I will make a video and I will explore. Okay, you can see the both couple are talking to each other. You can see behind me the both couples they are talking to each other, but I don't know what are they talking. I don't know. I can't share you. Okay, right now I am throwing the flowers in the pond. Okay, so let's go. And this is a light pillar. You can see this is light, and this tree is taller than me. Okay, this type of I have to make. Okay, so let's go. And every single day I want to explore many kind of places, but I don't have a more time, but I will write the time through my company one day. Okay, so okay, I will go to op area. Okay, there are many person are coming through this gate. Okay, let's go. Is an Indian Tiranga flag, Indian flag. Okay, you can see there are many persons and they are talking to each other. Okay, like this, and we have to go this through. This is made of. Suppose that you have to speak. This is a brick like it has been made for soil mitti. This is a brick, and as well as okay, let's go this away. Okay, but I would like to show these all are my friends. You can see, and there are a creator also. Funny blogs they make. Okay, so let's go from here. Okay, you can see brother is looking me, but I won't look her. I won't look him. You can see just I am down area, not up area. Like this. This is a grass. Means cow eat grass, but I don't eat. Okay, let's go from here. Okay. How are you liking by watching this video? Please comment me, bro. Okay, no problem. Okay, and just we have to go inside area in this purpose. And I would like, actually right now I didn't get a foreigners. Okay, I didn't get. I think they don't come here. They know me. They know me, not know. They don't know me. Know me. They don't know me. Okay, let's go from here. So friends, I am standing in the CP Park, means so Connaught Place you can speak, and Central Park of Delhi, in the Delhi. And Delhi is the capital of the India. Okay, so just you can see, means there are almost many person like 20% and 30% are talking to each other and dancing also. You can see dance. And right now I am standing on the bridge. Bridges. Okay. Yeah, dance. Dancing हो जाए, but leave this matter. We are learner and we have to learn English. So with new vocabs daily basis, so that you will improve your our English skill. So you can see, just you can speak. This is a hard of my heart, but I don't know. Recommend me. This is your heart, yeah, or my heart. Okay. So friends, this is a my heart, and she is cheated in my heart. But I won't stop her. Okay. You can see. Please comment me also. I'm English blogger. So bro, how are you feeling? आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत गंदा लग रहा है।
बहुत गंदा लग रहा है। गंदा ही लगेगा क्योंकि आप गंदे आदमी हो। Okay, so let's go from here. Okay, nowadays, actually, this has been made of the iron. This hard, not my heart. My heart, natural heart.
दिल तोड़ने वाला जगह है।
No. Actually, I aren't talking about the broken heart. I am talking about the iron heart. Okay, let's go. And this is the CP Park, and you can visit also, and you can talk to each other, and you can meet many kind of bloggers and creators, and you can enjoy. So this is a day video, and just almost 2 and 3 after 2 and 3 days, I will upload a night video in the CP, and would like to end the blog from here. And this is a off area of Central Park. Okay, so we learned English with new vocabs, and I mistook almost little bit. Okay, but in this particular I have to learn English and I have to practice. Please support and like me and subscribe my channel also, because nowadays I need a subscriber. Okay, so I would like to meet you another video, another with new topic and with exploring video. Okay, so Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, bye bye, take care.